guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a special video, and it's special because I have my sister with me. You guys have seen her on my daily sale vlogs and I'm sure in other videos. I also did her makeup. If you guys want to check that video out, I will go ahead and put that video right up above here, or you can check the link down below. But today we're going to be doing a special video. If you guys can't tell from the little background or the title in this video, we are going to be exchanging gifts because you guys don't know this. My close friends know this, but we share almost the same birthday. Our birthday is in September. Hers is the 22nd and mine is the 23rd. And we're basically almost twins. We were inspired by Nikki and Gabby's I don't even know what the title of the video was, but it was
twin gift exchange.
Yeah, twin gift exchange. And even though we're not twins, we pretty much almost share the same birthday. So we decided that this was the kind of cool video that we wanted to film.
So basically we have 3 gifts here, and one of them is a fashion gift, the other one is like a gag or funny gift, and then the other one is a sentimental gift. And we're basically going to be exchanging gifts that fit that criteria to each other.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and roll into the video.
Hey, yeah.
Okay, ready. Alright guys, so we have our gag gifts ready and we're just gonna go ahead and exchange. Should we open them together or should we open them one and one?
Open it together.
Okay.
I'm gonna open it you first.
Alright, so I'm gonna open up Alisa's gag gift. Oh, this is so cute! Oh my gosh, she got me a cucumber hand soap. Cucumber what? Did I just say cucumber?
It's aloe and cucumber.
She got me a cactus hand soap, you guys. Everybody that knows me like literally knows that I love cactuses. Look, the back is cactus. My phone is literally cactus. My gag gift is not a gag gift at all. Like, it's not funny or anything, but I don't know. I just couldn't really find it.
See, that looks kind of like a gag gift.
No, this is funny though.
This is how I'm gonna shop.
Good.
Yes! This is a gag gift though. Oh wait, it's not funny. Yay! This is a fashion gift. Oh my god.
You go first since I went first last time.
Yes!
It's an abnormally big bag for a small gift.
Yes!
So I got her this thing because we went to the mall, just randomly we walked into the store at the mall, and then they had this and she really wanted it, and then we left the mall or whatever, and then I remembered that she wanted it, so yeah, I had to go back and get it.
Yes, thank you. I love
You're welcome. What's this? Are these what I think they are? PJs! And these are really cute too. Y'all, first of all, I don't know if you guys know this, but literally every single Christmas I ask for PJs because I literally just love 2-set PJs. And Alisa's the only one that gets them for me every holiday. So I got this one. These are actually really cute because they're kind of like holiday looking.
Yeah,
like
and they're really cute because they're like the little roses.
Yeah, and then they're really soft too. I love these. Alright guys, so now we are gonna do the last gift, which is the sentimental gift. Alright, here you go.
You first?
Me first?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, here we go. What the heck is this? Oh my god! Y'all! This is like... This is actually really sentimental. So I have to go all the way back. So when I was little, I had this bike, right? And my dad gave me this little license plate, like a little Florida license plate, because FYI, I live in Florida. So my dad made me this license plate with my name on it, my real name on it, and yeah, it was just like on the back of my bike. And then I got older and I transferred this little license thingy that my dad gave me since I was little, and I just transferred it on the bike. And then recently, not even recently, it was like a little while ago,
yeah.
I had a cruiser, like a cruiser bike, and Eric did too, and we had it in his other apartment, and somebody stole our bikes. Like, they stole my bike and they stole his bike, and my bike had the little license plate with my name on it from my childhood that my dad gave me. So yeah, I lost it, and I was really sad that I lost the license plate because it was like, I don't know, it was just really sentimental for me. And my sister literally got me, and this one's actually better because my name was in stickers. Like
Yeah,
it was
no,
like a
that.
stickery
He
thing.
said that, and then he said that his was like plastic. And stuff.
Yeah, it was plasticky, and this is like metal, and it's just like all together. This is a really good gift. Like this is literally so cute. Wow, my heart. Like this is actually really cute. Thank you, Lisali.
Why is it that you?
Okay, I had to put a lot of tape on it because it kept falling. It kept falling a lot. I was like looking at these 2 pieces of cardboard, and I was like, what is this?
I know. I was trying to hide it. What could this be?
A bag within a bag.
Shush. This is so expensive online. Basically, I had this Bible since I was like a kid. Well, not really a kid, like since I was like kind of a preteen. Somebody gave this Bible to me, and then I just had it overall like all these years. And it's just gone like the pages are like ripped and stuff, and it's just gotten really old and like
It's like super worn. Like,
yeah,
super.
Yeah, that's the word, worn. And I wanted one, but they're so expensive, and I don't know if they're like a collector's edition.
I was looking it up in Precious Moments. It's like certain ones are really, really expensive because they only made a certain amount of them, and they're really valuable. So I don't know what this Bible is. I try to look like why it's so expensive, but I don't know.
Yeah, I know, it's so like literally those one was like $600 for the Bible, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I told my mom I really wanted this because it's like my favorite Bible because it's bilingual. And it's just better for me because like my church, they speak Spanish, and then I like to read the Bible in English because I understand it better. And I just wanted it for so long, but it's so expensive. It was so expensive online. This is so cute. Thank you, Sandy.
You're welcome. Okay, so this concludes the video. What was your favorite gift out of all of them?
I just love them all though.
If I had to pick, I would pick this one just because this is like really near and dear to my heart. Like this was really cute, and I was not expecting this.
I love my Bible. I love my jacket. And I love this. Like, I don't know, probably the Bible because it was super expensive.
Yeah.
And like, I couldn't find it anywhere when I was trying to buy it.
Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. Please give this video a big like, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and click this little icon right over here to subscribe and watch more videos with me and my sister. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye! So basically we're gonna be decorating, and we're just gonna be doing like a behind the scenes type video.
So right now we're in the process of trying to set up this background and everything.
Sandy said she got these decorations from Target, and look, they're upside down because it's a tablecloth. Isn't this so cute? There's like little llamas and cactuses on it, and she got like pastel balloons and like pastel decorations, and then she got us these cute little party hats.
Hey guys, what's up?